balls for dessert that only take a few minutes to prep, you don't need to bake, and pack some serious energy. In 3, 2, 1. First, we're gonna process 1 cup of rolled oats a bit. You could process it into a flour, but I prefer it to have some oat texture to it. By the way, if you didn't know, you can make homemade oat flour this way. If you don't have a food processor either, a blender should work if it's decent enough. If you need a cheap food processor, I'll link this one below. Now in a bowl, add your oats, 6 ounces of a reduced or fat-free cream cheese, 6 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 scoops of Labrada Nutrition's chocolate 100% whey protein powder, which you can check out below, 1 tablespoon of a sweetener, 5 crushed up chocolate covered pretzels, and 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum to help keep everything together. Mix those up until everything is kind of clumped together like this. Once mixed, shape your balls however big you want them. I usually make a couple different sizes. You'll see here that they shouldn't end up sticky at all. Finish them off and press in a single chocolate covered pretzel to some of them. You throw them in the fridge now to harden up a bit too, but they taste great as is.